All right. What is up, Darkside family? Oof, GA. Lord. If you're following our Telegram, you saw the sells and buys on this one. And this is live price action right now. Pushing for a 1 to 13. What a big stop, 15 pip stop, all good again. The whole point is to make sure you're in the move and not tapped out. You can't be your own worst enemy in this with these 1 pip stops. Give yourself a chance, guys. But this is another one. Again, it's from zone to zone. Same thing that you guys see us talk about very often at this point, or you've got the break right here, price taps in, flies. It's the same setup here, the same setup here. It's the same thing over and over, guys. And this one was just super clean. So let's just break down again. We'll go into the first entry real quick. Simple stuff, as we can see. Price broke down. Either way, they came up. They couldn't quite make it into the zone in the beginning here. No problem. We had exhaustion. We had to push to the downside. We were able to sneak ourselves in right here. Just give you a quick idea on the entry, just so you can see it's the same thing over and over, guys. Super clean stuff on GA. Between this and US 30, I honestly haven't seen the market this clean in a very long time. I mean, what we're doing to US 30 is pretty much just like, I don't know, it's ridiculous at this point. And there's nothing special about it. It's just clean price action. We're posting them for you guys to back test. I really hope you are. But again, same situation here with GA. As you can see, this was a sweep right here. Pretty easy to identify here. Quick liquidity grab, sweep, call it what you want. This area was done, led to the break of structure to the downside. We've got our ascending structure right inside here, which we'll highlight right there, right there. Right there. That's our BOS like usual. Same thing we always show. Up, in, and then down. That's the same thing happening right there, guys. And you can see the entry was in a 1 minute imbalance right inside here. I mean, ridiculous. We gave it an extra cushion here. Again, just to avoid getting yourself tapped out for no reason. When you see the potential on these big moves, if you're gonna do something like this and try to cover just this zone, you're going to get tapped out by your broker with the spread. You're going to get tapped out by a quick spike in the market. Either way, it's a bunch of self-inflicted stuff that you can avoid. Don't be your own worst enemy. The market's hard enough. Give your chance or your trade a chance to breathe. And we'll let this one play out. Let's go to 5 minute, make it a little quicker. And from there, it just melted. It's a really nice trade. Made a great return on that one. I think it went, for around 20%. Now, I didn't have the entire thing running the whole time. Partials were taken, of course. But either way, it's a significant return. And the most important part to understand is that it gives you the opportunity to now take a free hedge, a free buy from here, because you're just using your profit from this trade to sponsor this trade here. So you make 15-20%, use a couple percent here, put them in the bank, you risk a little bit on here, and you're trading for free. And again, the same thing happens down on this end, guys. Show you real quick. It's the same thing. Super clean price action. Again, let's just pause it real quick. There we go. This one I got in a little late, you could say, but again, it doesn't make a difference here. We've got our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, our BOS. Okay, it's getting it nice and tight just so everybody can see how clear it is. We've got our BOS that took place here. Again, descending price action, guys. I know we all know it by now, but we'll highlight here to here to here. We've got our break of structure. Now, as you can see, there was a 1 minute imbalance down here. It was slight. It counts. It was an imbalance if you look really closely. This wick almost kind of filled it, but it didn't. It's a little shy. But see, that's the thing. You can't get so caught up in trying to get the perfect move and the perfect entry, because you would have missed this entire move. So instead, if we missed the first one here, it didn't tap in. Well, what did it do? It broke structure here again, and then it filled this nice little imbalance right there. So that's what you look for. You can't let these moves pass you by because you didn't get a 2 pip stop or a 1 pip stop. And I tell my guys all the time, when you're not missing the move, the only thing that's happening is if you get in late is that you're getting more confirmation of the move. Because if price was going to go in your intended direction anyway, which is to the upside, whether you get in, right here or right here or right here, it doesn't matter, because you're going to catch the move either way. Just cover, make sure you give yourself the stop that you need and keep your screen blue. Forget about 1 to 50s. It's better to have 1 to 5 5 times and have a 1 to 25 than miss 1 to 50s all day long. Your bank account will not be mad. You cannot go broke taking in money. And it's like I was saying here, this one just took off. Wasn't the ideal entry. It made our stop a little bit bigger, but like I care about the size of the stop. Again, I was in for free. It gave me a 15.4 pip stop. I don't know why people think that's a bad thing or something. When you look at the return that it gave off, like, are you kidding me? Here we are sitting. It's probably going to tap out 1 to 13, which makes sense because this is a clean 1 hour zone right above here. And then you guys know what it's going to also do. It's going to give me a free sell opportunity. So I could make 13% here, 14%. Let's just say I risk 1 or 2% of that on this sell. If the sell goes in my favor, then great. I just earned more money for free. And if I'm wrong, then it's just going to go like this. In my long position, I'm just going to do this, guys. I'm going to extend my long and let it keep going, and boom, and let that keep going up, going up, going up. We'll close the partials here on the sell opportunity and let it ride and take it from there. So again, this was just a quick one, guys, but it's more of the same stuff over here. You see what we're doing. I mean, this is just a glimpse into the way we trade the market using strictly structure here. We've got a lot more confluences that we use, but again, these are things that you can apply to your trading today, literally today, and make a difference in your account growth and stuff like that. So this is strictly structured. This is today's price action. This is GA right now, November 16th. It's 1:30 New York Eastern time for me. You can go ahead and backtest this one yourself. See how you could have got in here, how we could have got in here, and then there was other trades along the way. Don't waste your time waiting on live market conditions. Backtest, backtest, backtest. How could you have got into here? How could you have sold right here? How could you have bought right here? Do what you got to do, guys, and watch the results starts coming in. So again, this is our approach to the market. This is how we do things. If what you're doing is working for you, we wish you all the best. But this is what's working for us. Hope y'all get some value out of it. See you soon.